So today we're going to create this dystopian world again. 2 bounding boxes in Rhino, chuck them in Grasshopper. Use the populate 3D component to populate the boxes. Use the random component to create random sizes of the boxes. Crank up the number and we can see more boxes. Oh la la. Problem is that we need these boxes to grow from the center. Actually pretty easy if you use a distance component and you scale them based on the distance to the base point. Crank up the density so that we get more boxes. Use the dispatch component so that we can clear some of the geometry. We randomly reduce them. Bring it into Blender. So here, if you look at the viewport option, you can actually click on the mispass, which actually is the depth map. So if you render the viewport, you can actually get the depth map of these geometries and you bring it into Stable Diffusion UI. And I'm still using the website called Lexica to help me to type the prompt. And after that, you can just hit generate, adjust the resolution, get a few trials and see what seat number actually suits you. And there you have it. Peace out.